Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to look at this Bosgames PC. This is a mini PC. This is the P4 mini desktop computer. This has an AMD Ryzen 7 processor in it. We're going to unbox this, take a look at everything that comes in it. I'm going to walk you guys through a lot of the features of this little mini PC. This is going to be an ideal, guys, computer for desktop applications and also possibly for portable computing as well. So let's go ahead and open this box up and see exactly what we get in the box. All right, guys, taking a look at the box, as you guys can see, this is one of those designs where it just kind of slides out to the side like so. So then we're left with this white box here. Now everything else should be inside of the box. There's no additional markings on the box. There's little finger holes here on the side. We can just kind of pull the lid off. So we have a little bit of packing material right here on the top. We have a starter manual that's going to kind of walk us through everything related to this computer in multiple languages. Here is the actual unit, and it does have some significant weight to it. We'll come back to this here in just a second. Also in the box, underneath here, you're going to find some accessories, and that is covered by another little lid. You have a monitor mount, so if you want to mount this onto the back of a monitor, this is included in the packaging. You also receive your HDMI cable, which is really nice because a lot of these brands do not include this with it, but you guys actually get a full-size HDMI cable for connecting this to monitors or other devices, which is nice. You also receive your power brick, and this is your standard, you know, with a little barrel plug. So that's just going to plug into the unit to give it power. Let's take a look at our computer. All right, so you guys can see this is very well packaged. Has this nice little kind of shrink wrap material on here. So we're just going to pull this off on one side. Starting off here on the front, you guys can see we have two USB-A's, a USB-C. We have our headphone jack, and we have our power button on the front here. As we move around, we have venting so that, you know, this little computer can breathe, and that's going to be the same on the top as well. On the back here, you guys can see we have more venting back here. We have our input for our power. We have two Ethernet inputs here. We also have a display port and a standard HDMI right here. And then we have two additional USB-A's here as well. And we have one of those little Kensington locks here. So you want to make sure nobody walks away with your computer. It's got little rubberized little padding underneath here. I can tell you guys, this feels really, really nice in the hands. This is a very well-built little mini computer. I have looked at so many of these mini computers over the years, and I can tell you, this one feels really, really nice. All right, so let's power this guy on, connect it to a monitor. Okay, so starting off, we have our HDMI cable. We're just gonna plug this guy into the back here to the HDMI input. Okay, so we're going to connect our power supply to this as well, and that plugs in right here in the back. All right, guys, so our monitor is booting up here. Let's go ahead and power this on for the first time to see what we get. All right, guys, as you can see, it is starting to boot up. Now, this is going to take us through our Windows setup, but I just wanted you to see how easy it is to set this guy up. Connect it to a monitor, you know, add your other peripherals that you're going to need, like your mouse, keyboard, things like that. This is a very powerful little gaming computer. Now, this is going to be ideal for somebody who's like myself doing photo and video editing. A lot of horsepower for this little guy. So you guys can see we have Windows booting up right here for normal setup, but I did want you to see you know, exactly what you're going to get with this type of little mini PC. So I think a lot of people are going to be really, really happy with this. All of the benefits of it, guys, to be able to game on this guy, to be able to edit photos, edit videos. So if you're interested in a computer like this, I do recommend taking a look at this. I have tested a number of these different computers. I have a couple of them still here in my home office that we're using as servers. We're also using these for graphics and video editing. These things are amazing. It's a budget-friendly computer that you can set up for your kids. You know, you can provide for, you know, those other older kids that are going away to college, things like that. They will love this thing. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys this computer.